Okay, so today we'll be constructing the medians of an obtuse triangle. So basically, a median of a triangle is a line that runs from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of that triangle. And the triangle has three medians, and they all meet at the center. They all meet at the center, which is called the centroid, which I will demonstrate later. And let's start. So first, make your obtuse triangle. There we go. And we want to label the points A, B, and C. So click on those 3 points, display menu, and click on show labels. And as you can see, they're not A, B, and C. So you can double click on the letter and change it to any label you want. Like that. And now our points are labeled. So next we want to find our midpoints. So just click on the line segment of each side and just go to construct menu and click on midpoints. And now we have our midpoints, and we also want to label those, and we want to label them X, Y, and Z. So double click X, Y, and Z. So now we have our midpoints. Next, what we're going to do is draw our medians. So to draw a median, just connect a midpoint to the opposite side, basically. So click on your midpoint Y and just connect it to your vertex A, and click on your midpoint X, connect it to your vertex C, and click on your midpoint Z, connect it to your vertex B. And there are our medians. And we want to label that point of intersection in the center, which is also called the centroid. So yeah, click on that, and we want to label that Q. And now that we have that, we want to measure the distances. So you just want to measure the distance of this particular median. So click on A and then Q. Go to the measure menu, click on distance. And as you can see, the measurement appears up there. Next, let's find the one for Q and Y. Click on Q and then Y. Go to the measure menu, distance. And yeah, there you go. And next, let's find one for the overall, which is A and Y. Click on A and then Y. Go to the measure menu and click on distance. And there we have our measurements. So now we want to simplify those to a common explanation. So what you want to do next is just click on the number menu and go to the calculate menu, which is the calculator, and we're going to calculate a few equations, and we're going to divide AQ by QY, so 8.04 divided by 4.02, and that would equal 2. And Next, we want to do another one. We're going to divide AY by QY. So it's 12.06 divided by 4.02. Okay, and I did those calculations just to explain this. So as you can see, in here we divided AY by AQ, or AY by QY. And this is just saying that QY is basically a third of that median. It's not half. And we also divided AQ by QY. And yeah, so basically QY is double. AQ is the double amount of QY, which means that AQ is 2/3 of the median. So this all means that the distance from a vertex, which is this, to the centroid is double the amount of a distance from the centroid to the median. And there you have it. That is how you construct the medians of a triangle. And we're about done.